I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a traditional margarita. First, ensure you have your key ingredients ready: tequila, fresh lime juice, and orange liqueur. This easy method focuses on a balanced ratio, ensuring a delicious drink every time. You'll be enjoying a perfectly crafted margarita in just a few minutes, ideal for any occasion. For the best traditional margarita, start with 2 ounces of a good quality 100% agave blanco tequila. Next, you'll need 1 ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice. This is crucial for a bright, authentic flavor. Finally, add 1 ounce of orange liqueur, such as Cointreau or Triple Sec, to complete the classic taste profile. Once your ingredients are measured, combine them in a cocktail shaker filled with ice. Shake vigorously for about 15 seconds until the mixture is thoroughly chilled. Prepare your glass by rimming it with salt, if desired, then strain the margarita over fresh ice. Garnish with a lime wedge and enjoy your perfectly mixed drink. To elevate your margarita, always prioritize fresh ingredients, especially the lime juice. You can also experiment with different fruit purees like strawberry or mango for exciting variations. For more great tips and deals, including a book that can truly change how you think about money, check out the links in the description below. We hope you enjoy your delicious homemade margarita.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.